I get back tomorrow, so I need to grab my suitcase. Morning, you guys. I am traveling today to Florida, so I have to start packing. It's actually just like a day trip. Of course, I am wearing my jersey. I do not travel without jersey. It is so comfortable, no pins. I'm so tired today, you guys. I'm trying, I'm struggling. I'm actually not feeling well at all. I'm feeling very dizzy and very lightheaded, so I'm like struggling to get through this. I'm wearing my jersey. I don't travel without it. A nice little zip up, some cargo pants, and then I'm gonna be wearing sneakers. Let the packing begin. I'm only going for a night, so I don't need to pack too much, but the first thing I'm gonna start with is my skincare. I'm gonna pack everything in this really cute new fresh Cezanne makeup bag I just got at their event. It's adorable. I'm gonna take all 3 of these Drunk Elephant testers. Some marula oil, the vitamin C, and then just their hydration gel. And another thing I usually, oh my God, that almost fell and broke and died. Oh my God, that would have been a disaster. Decided I'm gonna wear this dress, which is really pretty. You guys have probably seen me in this a million times. So I'm gonna wear this dress with white jeans underneath, heels, and probably a viscose hijab. Best travel purse ever. So I've got my outfit with the hijab, skincare, shoes, praying clothes of course, pajamas, and makeup. So every Tuesday we have a 10 a.m. meeting, and I'm late. I hate being late. We have a new employee starting today, Brittany. So excited. I had a legitimate shopping spree. They were just like, here's a big bag and take what you want. And I was like, oh. It was crazy. So I asked a lot of you what y'all wanted, and so I
look at Alice's face.
Hydration cream. It's a really good one. Sandra wanted something for her blemishes.
I'm zoomed in all the way. Hold on. Let's keep zooming. Zooming. There you go. I didn't know what you want, so I got you face cream and a sugarlet. Salwa.
Here's that really fun sake bath. What in the world? And then you wanted something else for her blemishes.
Let's zoom in again.
Oh, that's lovely. So excited. Yay, enjoy your fresh stuff, all courtesy of Fresh. They're amazing. Wow. They're literally the best. Thank you, Fred. Yeah.
Wait, what do I get?
You get me. You get everything Melanie has in her face mask. Bye. Here, once again, it is the last day of shooting. I brought them some cupcakes because they've been so amazing. Hi guys! Oh, are you guys happy this is the last day of shooting ever?
I'm actually kind of sad.
Oh, why?
Because I love working with you guys.
I know, we love it too. We're gonna come and just hang out with you guys. So I'm on my way to the airport now, and I have this talk tomorrow morning at 9:30. I'm gonna land at like 11:30 in Florida, and then I have to get up super early, have my talk, and then my flight's at 5. So I don't think I'm gonna fast tomorrow because it's a crazy travel day. Just take the dispensation of travel tomorrow. But alhamdulillah, I'm fasting today, and on my way, so I'll see y'all in Florida. Just landed. I tried to sleep, but it's so uncomfortable. It's humid. So humid. Yeah. There's supposed to be somebody to come pick me up. I don't know, let me figure this out. Found the driver. Thank God. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, not too shabby. Wow, what a nice bathroom. Looking hit. Ooh, very nice. All right guys, well I just got in. It is midnight on the dot, and I gotta get some Z's because I have to be at the venue at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Need to get some sleep. The craziness never ends. Time to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.